Making music in different styles and genres to the ones you're most used to is a great way to help you build your understanding of music production. It can also help you to develop your own unique sound. Pioneering music producers have contributed to the evolution of completely new genres and subgenres of music by taking elements from different genres and fusing them together. An obvious example of this is dubstep, which came from garage and dub music. In light of all this, I had an idea. My name's Alex, and I'm about to embark on an epic journey of discovery into the far reaches of... I've compiled a list of 80 different genres, subgenres, and styles of electronic music, from mainstream to underground. The list covers everything from happy to sad, chill to heavy, and the generic to the downright bizarre. I'm going to pick one at random using this random selector app, and whatever gets chosen gets made. Okay, so this is day one of the Genre Roulette Music Producer Challenge. I'm just going to go ahead, spin the wheel, and find out what we're going to be making. UK drill. UK drill music. Drill music. Drill. Drill music. From UK. UK drill music. Drill music. Genre Roulette #1 UK drill, and we're going to go 140 BPM. Going to start with the piano sound. This is a free plugin called Keyzone. I think it's going to be hard to be original making UK drill, but then I guess the vocalist makes the track unique anyway, so it doesn't really matter if it sounds similar to others. So I've gone ahead and added some drums. All the samples are from Splice. You can sign up to Splice using the link in the description and you'll get 100 free sounds. I'm going to add some bass now with Serum. Let's just get our old MIDI back from the piano piece. I'm just going to use the bass notes for now. can hide that again, we don't need it. Sine wave first. I think the bass sounds too low or too high on C, so I'm going to pitch the piano up or down a bit. Let's see how it sounds. I think I quite like that. So that's up 4. So we're on E now. So I like using this feature in Serum where you can open up the waveform and you can see the harmonics. So normally a square wave will look like this with every other harmonic, like this. And then a saw wave will have everyone filled in. So for this we'll start with a sine wave, which is just the first harmonic, and then we'll dial in each of the harmonics how we want it. I think we're probably going to go more square wave than we are saw wave. So I quite like that third harmonic coming through. See how that instantly sounds more like a saw wave? I think we're going to have a bit of it in, but not all of it. I like the sound of that. Let's add some portamento so it slides between notes. So I'm going to try and have the bass pattern follow the drums so that when the kick drum hits or the snare drum hits, we want the bass to hit with it. I'm just going to focus on rhythm first and then I'll look at changing the notes. Going to use this LFO in envelope mode to add a bit of a pitch bend at the start of the sound. In Serum these numbers don't mean semitones, so to get semitones you have to type plus. So say we want 2 octaves, we want 24 ST for semitones. I've added a bass and I didn't quite like how the piano was, so I've re-reversed some of them, so now it sounds like this. So I've gone ahead and finished the track. I'm going to talk you through some of the changes I've made. I've duplicated the hi-hat track and I've split the samples in between the 2 tracks, and I've panned one left and one right so that we get a bit of width and movement. On the tremolo hat I've added an auto pan, which again gives the movement between left and right. I've done a bit of mixing. Honestly, I've not gone crazy with the mixing. It could be better. I just wanted to get it finished, so it will do. In terms of mixing, we've got my favourite transient shaper, Isotope Alloy 2, on the kick and the snare to give it a bit more punch, and we've done some EQing. I've added some saturation with Saturn 2 to the drummer's bus, so I'll show you the difference in the sound with it on and off. This is with it off and on. It's subtle. If I move the mix up, you'll hear what it's doing. So it's just adding more distortion. I've added some other samples. So we've got a crash cymbal, a church bell, got some gunshots. I've added a lot of reverb to all of these. We've got this sound, and we've got a bit of a vinyl crackle in the little breakdown section and just before the drop. I've also added a tape stop effect on both the master bus and the piano track. So it's a free one made by TBT. It's an old plugin. I had to use JBridge because I'm using the 64-bit version of Studio One, and this only comes in 32-bit, so that's what this is. I've really enjoyed doing this. I'm looking forward to the next one. UK drill music is something I definitely like. It's not something I actively listen to or follow, so I think I'm quite happy with how it's gone. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. So PreSonus just put out a cryptic video on YouTube. It has a hidden message that says Studio 1.5. And it says July the 7th. So it looks like we're getting an update soon. I can't wait to see what's new. I'm going to be covering what's new and doing some in-depth tutorials on Studio 1.5 on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe if you're interested. I'm also going to be doing more of these beat vlog videos. So here's how it turned out.